Everyone loves the idea of passive income, money that keeps coming in while you sleep. But let's be honest, most so-called passive income ideas online either take too much effort or don't really work. So let's talk about 5 proven investments that actually do, simple, realistic ways to earn consistent income without needing to watch the market every day. Number 1, dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you part of their profits on a regular basis, usually every 3 months. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble. They've paid dividends for decades and often increase those payments over time. You can use the dividends as cash flow or reinvest them to buy more shares. Number 2, REITs, or Real Estate Investment Trusts. REITs let you invest in real estate without buying property yourself. They own things like apartment buildings, shopping centers, hospitals, and even data centers. In return for investing, you get a share of their rental income. REITs are legally required to pay out most of their profits to investors, so they tend to offer higher dividend yields than regular stocks. You can buy and sell them through a regular brokerage account, just like any other stock. And if you want to find strong dividend payers, REITs, or companies announcing buybacks, signals that often point to solid income opportunities, LevelFields AI can help it track thousands of companies in real time, spotting events like dividend increases or payout changes the moment they happen. That way, instead of chasing trends, you can see which investments are actually generating income and make decisions based on real data, not hype. Number 3, bonds and bond ETFs. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a government or a company, and they pay you interest for it. Bonds are generally lower risk than stocks, which makes them a great source of predictable income. If you don't want to pick individual bonds, you can buy a bond ETF that holds dozens of them. You'll receive interest payments while keeping your risk moderate. It's a classic way to balance your portfolio and earn steady income at the same time. Number 4, high-yield savings accounts and CDs. These are the simplest and safest options. A high-yield savings account works just like a normal one, but it pays more interest, often around 4 to 5% CDs or certificates of deposit. Lock in your money for a fixed term like 6 or 12 months, usually for a slightly higher rate. These are perfect for emergency funds or short-term savings where you don't want to take on market risk. Number 5, covered call strategies. If you already own stocks, this is an easy way to generate extra income. You sell a call option on your shares, which gives someone else the right to buy them at a certain price, and you collect a cash premium for it. If the stock doesn't move above that price, you keep both your shares and the premium. It's a common way to make steady income from stocks you plan to hold long term. The bottom line is, passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a mix of assets that pay you consistently while your money continues to grow in the background. Follow and subscribe for more. LevelFields Elite Investing, Effortless AI.